Excellent advice for succeeding with affiliate marketing. Do friends often purchase products based on your feedback? Do you love writing reviews on sites like Amazon? You might have a future in affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, you'll be able to earn a commission for products you convince people to buy online. Read on to learn what you should know before you get started. When finding proper keywords to market your business, you should avoid the words, terms, and phrases that are most searched. It might seem like common sense to go with the words that are receiving the biggest hits, but by doing this, you are competing in a very large market. Try to cater to niche markets, where you will be able to stand out. You should carefully read the materials from any affiliate marketing program, especially when it comes to tracking orders outside of their website. If your referrals lead to an order placed by phone or mail, you must ensure that you are given credit for these sales. Otherwise, you may not be paid for your efforts. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, check out their resources in terms of sale boosting items for you. A good affiliate program will offer you banner images, content for text ads, and letter templates, in order to help you boost sales. A sale for you is a sale for them, and you want to work for a company that understands your value as an affiliate. When you try to make money through affiliate advertising, it is important that you stay up to date with all of the new trends and outlets to make money. Many affiliate advertising programs change, making it important that you stay on top of what is going on with the programs that are available. Keep a direct line open to your customers in affiliate marketing. You do not have to be the wizard behind the curtain here. You can have a blog presence, a Twitter account, a Facebook fan page, or other methods by which customers can contact you about the product and/or service. Be a personable affiliate. There's no reason not to give affiliate marketing a try. It won't take much for you to get started, and the information given in this video will put you on the fast track to affiliate marketing success. Don't be afraid to take your sales skills to the next level and make a career out of affiliate marketing. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.